In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer tank with the pump on this Ram 2500. It's located right behind your front grille. Let's get started. Now there are some push clips at the top here that hold this cover on, starting with one on each fender. Now yours might not look like this. Typically they just are pressed in and you'll have to pop them out. Looks like these have been replaced, so I have to pop out the center, or unscrew it, and then with a trim tool I can remove the rest of it. Now follow this piece along, and there's supposed to be one more here on the radiator. This is broken, and then some more in the center. Same thing, pop them out with a trim tool. Same 3 push clips on the other side. Now you can lift this piece up and move it out of the way. At the top of the grill, you'll see 4 10mm headed bolts, 1 on each corner and 2 in the center. Like I said, 10mm for all of them. Remove them. For us, the grill is actually broken here, so removing these center ones is pointless, but remove yours if your grill is still intact. Now remove the grill. Let's disconnect the pump. For this, you can push up on this little tab. Might need some help from a pocket screwdriver. Try not to break it, of course, because this is what locks it in place. And push it up. Remove the harness. Remove the washer fluid hose from this retainer. And now when you disconnect the hose from the pump, be careful, because if you have any fluid left in here, it will leak. The hose, not so much, but really the pump will just start shooting washer fluid out. So I have a little rubber cap here that I'm going to attempt to plug it with. Okay, there we go. Lost a little bit, but that's okay. It's plugged. I'm just going to move the hose out of the way. A 10mm bolt all the way at the bottom. Remove that. This comes off. And a 10mm bolt at the top. Set that aside. Separate this. On the back side, you'll see that the level sensor connector is attached here. There's a red locking tab. Pry this out with a little pocket screwdriver, just like that. That'll allow you to press on this tab and disconnect the sensor. And there is your washer tank. On the new washer tank, reconnect the level sensor on the back side. Make sure it clicks and lock it down. Route the wiring through this cutout here so it can stay nice and secure, out of the way of everything. It's hard to show this because I have to put it closer to actually clip that wire on. There's a little tab here that has to slide into that hole. And then another one right down here. They have to go in there together simultaneously. All right. Doesn't have to go all the way down, but that holds it in place. This shield that goes on the inside towards the AC condenser. Don't forget to put this on. It kind of blocks the airflow so it can direct it towards the radiator, so it is important. Now once you line this up with the screw holes, the bolt holes, thread these on, just start them. That way it can stay secured. Now don't tighten this one until you get the lower one started. Okay. Now tighten these up, but keep in mind you're tightening on plastic, so don't go too tight on these bolts or it will crack the new washer tank. That's it, just a little bit snug there. About 1/8 of a turn after you bottom it out is plenty. Take this harness and route it back over here. I'm going to connect it before I do anything else so it can stop leaking. There we go. It's normal that this spins around, but hold it and make sure that this is bottomed out completely, and might as well connect the washer pump while I'm at it. Make sure that clicks, and now it's important to secure this, not just the hose, but the harness as well, so it can stay back here and not get caught on anything or pinched when you put the grill on, because one of the mounting tabs of the grill goes right here, so you want to make sure that that's out of the way. And there we go. Now reinstall the grill. Make sure it lines up with all of the retainers and tabs that hold it on. Pull this out of the way. All right, let's secure it up top. For us, we just had these 2 screws, 1 on each side. You should have had 4. Make them nice and snug. They're going into plastic, so don't over tighten them. Now bring this piece over, make sure it lines up, and reinstall all of the push clips that hold it on. And the 3 on the other side. Now open the washer fluid cap. If you had any washer fluid left in your old tank, reuse it. If not, fill it up with your favorite washer fluid.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.